How to enable Hyper-V in Windows 10 and 11. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Task Manager. After you open Task Manager, click on Performance. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Make sure your virtualization is enabled. After you've enabled it, simply go to Notepad and copy paste this. After you do that, simply click on File, then click on Save As. Add your file name as hyperv.bat, then save it. Go to Files and Folder where you have saved the file. After that, simply open the file and click on Enter. After that, simply go to search bar and search for Hyper-V, and as you can see, Hyper-V is in here. And that's how you enable Hyper-V in Windows 10 and 11. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.